This little tree I bought a couple of years ago, I think from Home Depot, and it is a variegated willow, and it has a slight weeping effect, which I really like, and it has the variegated leaf, which means it is green with little yellowish or whitish, there we go, that one focused better, stripes in the leaf, and it's a really cute tree. Now, one day I was pruning, and this one is bad to get suckers come up right around the trunk base, and in fact it's got some right now. I'll come around here and show you. And I just pruned this not too long ago. So you see these suckers, they come out of grow out of the base of the tree. And I was pruning these suckers off one day, and as I pruned them all off and then gathered up my cuttings to put them in the trash pile, I realized that a couple of them looked a little differently from the rest of them, and the more I looked at them, the more I decided that they looked like pussy willow. Now, I've always wanted to have a pussy willow, and I've tried a couple of times, but was not successful. So the two that I thought looked like pussy willow, I stuck here in the water of my water feature, and if you'll notice, they have rooted successfully. That's one of them. And here's the other one. Quite a good set of roots. So in a few weeks, I'm going to be planting those. I'm going to first plant them in a pot to move them, because I'm sorry, I'm trying to get it back in the water and I can't get it back in there, because we're moving. We've bought a new house, or we're getting ready to close on a new house, and I want to be able to take those with me, so I'll be putting those in a pot first before I plant them in the ground. But I have two pussy willows there, free. Keep your eyes open.